heard your voice on the line, soft like rain. 3 seconds left, but it echoes like a hurricane. You didn't say goodbye, just let the silence fall. And I'm holding on to nothing, still pretending it's a call. Your breath was the last thing I heard, like a ghost in the wires, no need for words. I replay it like a song I can't forget. Even though you're gone, I'm not done yet. 3 seconds before goodbye, I swear I saw the stars cry. Your silence hit like thunder, but I still wonder if you felt it too. That love in the static breaking through. 3 seconds, and my heart won't let go of your voice on the phone. The screen went dark, but the feeling stayed, like a shadow dancing in the light you gave. I keep dialing back just to hear the tone, but it's not your breath, it's just a dial tone. I know it's over, but I'm stuck in between, where the truth is quiet and the pain is unseen. If I could rewind, I'd say what I meant, but now I just listen to the silence you sent. 3 seconds before goodbye,